Today is gonna be a good day. I got so much sleep last night because I went to bed at 12 instead of going to bed at 1:30, and it is currently like 10:15 because I could not fall back to sleep. But I'm excited. Today's gonna be so fun. Yay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney Elizabeth, and today I wanted to vlog. Today is the first day, first full day of our statewide lockdown. So we cannot go anywhere. So I still have fun things planned for today, and so I wanted to vlog. First, I'm going to look at my essay because my professor commented on it, and I want to just get that out of the way because it's my high school spring break. So I don't really want to have to deal with a lot of college work right now. But I want to make sure my essay is really good because I want to get an A. So, yeah. Okay, I'm back. So I just finished editing my paper. It took me almost an hour because it's 11:30. And now I'm going to copy and paste it into Paper Reader. And we're going to see what grade I get. College. Haha. I don't know what kind of paper this is. Here we go. I'm so dumb. Okay, report. Okay. What'd I get? I got a 79. Bruh. Whatever. I just finished editing my paper. I'm probably gonna go back and finish it tomorrow or Monday. But yes, now I am going to work out, which makes me so sad because I don't want to. I'll see you guys after my workout. Ew, I'm sweaty. Whew. Okay. I just washed my face after my workout because now I'm just brushing my hair for the day. I don't put makeup on when we're in quarantine because I just feel like it's, what am I, who am I trying to impress? It's 12 o'clock in the afternoon. I don't know what to do today. Oh. Part of the reason I wanted to vlog today is because I'm cooking dinner. Hopefully. If the groceries come and all the stuff is there, then I'm cooking dinner, which is so fun because I love to cook and I love to cook recipes for my family. Call me a chef. But anyways, I'm gonna cook for my family tonight and I'm really excited. So, speaking of exciting things, my senior shirts came in and I am so excited. Let me show you guys. Okay. Oh. Look at this. Look at this. This is so weird. This is what they look like. It's just so crazy. So I put Court on this one because all my friends call me Court sometimes. So I'm glad on this one I put Hee because I giggle a lot. So yeah. But it's just so crazy that I actually have mine because I see all the other seniors before me wearing them and I'm like, wow, that's so cool. And now it's actually me. Sorry, I'm so excited, but I'm also in disbelief. Just want to show you guys. Okay, now I have some laundry to put away because I did my laundry yesterday. So, time lapse. So for this part of the vlog, I was supposed to be doing a thumbnail project, but I went ahead and did it yesterday because of the lockdown. So, and I vlogged it. So I'm gonna put those clips in right here. So I'm working on something really exciting right now because well, you guys probably all know by now, but school is out for the rest of the year. We're basically online, which is really upsetting, but it's definitely a lot more upsetting for my senior friends. I know a lot of them are really upset they don't get to finish out their senior year in school. So what I wanted to do was I wanted to get a lot of my friends together and write some cards for them to make them feel better. So I've written some cards already, and I'm currently working on one right now. And then on Saturday, which is probably the day I'm vlogging, I'm gonna go deliver them. Yeah, so I just wanted to vlog a little bit of me writing the cards, and then okay, I'm gonna write now. Oh no. Okay, so yesterday I said that we were delivering the cards on Saturday, and it's actually Friday because I forgot we're going on a lockdown. So here are the cards. Anyways, I'm not allowed to vlog while I'm driving because I'm just not. So you're welcome, Mom and Dad. I'm a good girl. I'm gonna go. Okay, I'll see you after we're done. Bye.
They haven't.
It's the weekend.
Hello. Oh my. It's like 2:45 and I'm getting fresh air. I sat outside for 30 minutes and now I'm hot. Hopefully I got tan though. Oh, nuggets. I'm gonna try these Yasso yogurt bars that my sister recommended to me. This is the fudge brownie flavor, so. And it's only 100 calories, so. Mmm. That's so good. I'm gonna go enjoy this.
Oh yeah.
Oh, hi. Welcome to Cooking with Courtney and Parents. How do I do it? I don't do it. Do I have to touch it?
Yeah, you gotta touch it.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Ah!
One this way.
And then cut across the middle. Oh, it's wiggly. Oh, I have 3/4 cup. Where's the 3/4 cup? Question mark.
That's half of 3/4.
Oh,
So what is half of 3/4?
I don't know.
3/8.
Whee. So I need
1/2 teaspoon is a clove.
and I have 4.
So what's 4 times a half?
2 teaspoons.
Very good.
Haha, I could do math. Oh, I cannot open this. That's all I do. Oh.
Whip it up.
Ooh, this is hard.
No, you gotta use your flicking motion.
Mmm.
Okay.
I'm trying it. Okay.
You can put as much or as little sauce as you want on it.
Mmm.
It's pretty good. I enjoy it.
The fam approves.
I don't get. How are we fitting? Oh yeah, you take that off the table. Pour
Taste
that in
it,
the thing.
please. Mmm.
Watch out, Court.
Do you like it?
Samantha's picky. She doesn't like it. It's no big deal.
Well, most of the fam approves. We just finished dinner. It is 7:12. So it's almost 7:15. And guys, I checked my TikTok. I made a TikTok earlier.
Come here, girl. Go ahead, be gone with it. Come to the back. Go ahead, be gone with it. VIP. Go ahead, be gone with it. Drinks on me.
It has like almost 2,600 views. Like, what? That never happens to me. I think the most views on TikTok got was like 100, so go look on TikTok, I guess. Hi. So my sister and I are gonna watch Happy Death Day, and I'm kind of scared.
Should we turn off the lights?
No. So I guess I'll just update you when the movie's over, but wish me luck. It's 10 p.m. and we finished the movie and it was kind of scary. So, but I did it and now I'm eating this for snack, so. What time? Oh, I farted. It's 11:30 and I'm back to go get ready for bed. So, yeah. I still live with my sister, if you guys are wondering, so. So I just finished getting ready for bed and it's about midnight. Oh well. I'm probably gonna do my Devo and then edit this vlog for a little bit so I can get some editing out of the way. It's been about a half hour and I am going to bed. So I wanted to end the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. You should give it a thumbs up if you want, you know? Yeah. Okay, anyways, I'll see you guys next time.